Hey y'all, Steve here. Today we're going to find out about the 3M Headlight Restoration System. We're going to try it on the Adventure van. The headlamps the plastic has yellowed, so I bought this kit to see if I can restore those and bring them back to life. As you can easily see, they are faded and not very pretty. Let's briefly go over what this kit includes. It includes 1 disc pad holder, 6 gold sanding discs, 4 white finishing discs, 1 gray refining disc, 1 pack of rubbing compound, and 1 compounding pad. Step 1, clean the lens with soap and water. Okay, step 1, we're going to mount this P500 paper to the sanding pad, and it just attaches with Velcro, and this is what we're going to go ahead and initially begin sanding with. I'm getting ready to change out to a second pad, so that's kind of what it's looking. In my case, I'm not trying to get up here in these areas. I'm simply getting the face of this lens. I'm not trying to get into these gaps or anything. I just want the face to be nice and shiny. So I've worn out the first pad, and I'm going to change out, do a second one. The next step is to add this P800 sander. This is much finer. This is more of a finisher, and now I've got to go over the lens again with this one and keep going, changing out until we get that polished up. Here's what it's going to look like after that second polishing pad, but that's what you're going to expect it to look like. Our next step is the P3000 pad and water. We're going to use this pad to further polish what we just did with the P800 pad. So what you're going to want to do is wet this pad, wet your surface, and go ahead and polish it just like we did the others. The instructions say look for a white slurry, and that's actually what we're getting right here, and that is just fine polishing and taking the scratches out from the previous pad. But now we're putting on the polishing pad. We're going to add a dime-sized amount of rubbing compound to the pad, and then we're going to buff all of this out. That thing is looking awesome. The final step is just to go over it with a microfiber cloth. I don't have one, so I'm just using a towel. Say it with me, amazing!